When Martian life learns human cruelty, the lab turns into a bloodbath. This is the first Martian life form discovered by humanity. After the scientists teased it with their fingers, the strange creature unexpectedly grew 2 appendages. As they watched the alien life form gracefully dance before them, they quickly sent the news back to Earth. Upon hearing the news, humanity was filled with excitement, and the creature was given a new name, Calvin. After 52 days of cultivation in the space station, scientists discovered that Calvin's growth rate was astonishingly fast. Even more bizarre was the fact that each of its cells contained all the functions of a body cell, meaning Calvin was covered in muscle, and each cell had its own brain and eyes. This filled the scientists with awe, but disaster was about to strike. During an electric shock experiment, scientist Larry attempted to wake up the dormant alien life. However, the next moment, the alien suddenly grabbed his hand. Larry struggled desperately, terrified, but no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't break free from Calvin's grip. The team outside the lab held their breath, anxiously waiting. Larry tried using an electric shock device to force Calvin to release him, but in the blink of an eye, Calvin fought back, ripping Larry's finger joints apart with terrifying force. The cracking sound of breaking bones and the excruciating pain made Larry scream in agony. The team outside wanted to rush in and save him, but the captain held them back, worried about contamination. While the others argued outside, the alien suddenly released its grip on Larry. When Larry managed to pull his hand out, it was clear that his palm was crushed beyond repair. Calvin then broke the electric shock device on the spot. It seemed that humans had underestimated Calvin's intelligence. It cleverly used the shock device to pierce through its glove, shocking everyone in the room. Next, the alien jumped to the lab rat nearby. After only a brief touch, Calvin latched onto the rat. It appeared to have a corrosive ability. Within seconds, the rat was completely dissolved. Seeing this, Blake rushed into the lab, throwing Larry out of harm's way, and the team outside managed to rescue him. However, just as this was happening, the alien sensed something was off, and before Blake could react, it immediately latched onto his leg. To prevent the alien from escaping, the team had no choice but to seal the lab door. After absorbing the energy from the rat, the alien's size grew once again.